Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yesi Agustina. I'm from the Kill Group company. Here I will introduce our new product that come with new packaging that are safer and stylish. So that you become more confident, our product is Test makes calm skin soft after nature. This is a 100% older mask made from natural ingredients without chemicals, so it's safe for all skin types. Not only used for women, but can use for men. We have just released a variant, namely milk, turmeric, coffee, black tea, charcoal, pandan leaves, cocoa, and green tea. Since I only bought an example meal, here I will give priority to explain the advance of this product. While for other variants, I will explain its benefits at a glance. The benefits of this new mask are to remove panda eyes, brighten facial skin, smooth skin, turn on the face and nourish facial skin. Why it is product stayed to the natural? Because the main ingredients we use are corn flour and original seasonings mixed with milk. Another variant that we use is natural ingredients. For product details, shelf life out about 6 months. With new packaging conditions, will the contents of 50 grams per PCS or 1 PCS. For more details, I will explain what benefits are contained in other variants, namely 1. Turmeric for dry skin and for removing pimples. 2. Coffee, that is to deal with dull faces, showing pores, and to soften skin. And 3. Black tea to treat acne, brighten and thicken skin. 4. Charcoal, that is to remove blackheads, remove dead skin cells, and soften the skin. 5. Pandan leaves to remove black spots and rinse on the face. And 6. Namely cocoa, nourish inflammation in the skin and remove dust. And 7. Namely green tea, to reduce inflammation of the skin and suitable for only 6. We sell 3,500 per PCS. Our products are guaranteed safe, and the price for each product is more affordable compared to other products. So the price is affordable, but results are not disappointing because I myself all use this product. To buy products, you can come to our store in Street Ciamis Cirebon, and or you can buy online at Calm Skin Shop on the nature. You buy immediately, then not guarantee that you will like our products because these products are 1000% natural ingredients, and we often hold special price for loyal customers and beginners. For purchase of at least 5 PCS, 1 PCS free. Are you doubtful about our product? Let's try! Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.